project name is Awake Splash, the ultimate morning motivator. Our aim is to awake people early in the morning so they can do their work very easily, quickly and fastly. Point to be noted that this is a project only for the person who want to get up early in the morning, not for the people who don't want to get up early in the morning.
In 2022, the Indian population, nearly 55% of people wake up late early in the morning, and it is increased to 57% in 2023 in our country. And 42% of people getting late to their work because they wake up late, and 90% of adolescents wake up late early in the morning. So how the project works? For example, if the person want to get up at 5 o'clock, then he should set the alarm at 5 o'clock. So when the time happens, the alarm starts the noise, and when the time happens, the alarm starts the noise, and that time it will delay for some seconds, and he should go to the bathroom in that time. If the person did not go to the bathroom, then the water is sprayed on him. So he should go to the bathroom. If he doesn't go to the bathroom, the water is sprayed on him. If he goes to the bathroom and again he comes and sleeps, the water sprays start again. And if he tries to change the position of the clock or tries to break the clock, then it will make the noise. So we will show how it works. As you can see, the alarm starts. And it will wait for some seconds to go to the person to the bathroom. And if the person doesn't go to the bathroom, the water spray starts. And if when the person go to the bathroom, the water spray will stop. And if the person comes again and sleep on the bed, the water spray again starts. So if the person tries to change the position of the clock or break the clock, then it will make this noise. So this is how the project works.
Advancement ideas. We can make the person walk 5 minutes to make his sleep fast. We can add force and pressure sensor in his slippers or shoes and connect to alarm clock in Bluetooth. In alarm clock deactivates automatically. We can add LDR if the person uses light or mobile at night. The alarm clock makes noises until he offs the light or phone. We can add motor to remove curtain automatically after time happens. A specialty of this alarm clock when you compare to the normal clock. Normal alarm clock just make noises and try to wake up a person. This has a more capacity and more effective in waking up the person.
So the applications of the project, it can be used for the students and aspirants like SSLC, UC, so they can wake up early and read. It can be also used for the person who wake up late and they have to go to work early in the morning. And it can be also used for the person who want to do yoga or meditate early in the morning.
Materials used for making this project: Arduino Uno, water sensor, IR sensor, force and pressure sensor, relay, buzzers,